Hi traders and welcome to weekly Forex recap November 19. My name is Nenad and as always I'm with you each Monday. These are free webinars to watch. Last week was also very successful regarding our setups. Most of our setups came in profits. Only one setup came in a loss. So today again 5 different setups and let's see what we have on table. So trading ideas, setups, weekly Forex recap November 19. Before we proceed, a quick disclaimer explaining that CFD and Forex are leveraged products that can result in losses. Also have in mind that everything you see here is my personal opinion and trades. This is a standard recap webinar where I present my trading ideas and trading setups. Trading rules for our session recap: give price a breathing room. We usually enter in the zone, it's called the POC zone, and add a spread to your stop loss. Even if you trade via ECN account, add 2 to 5 pips spread depending on pair traded. Also for equities and commodities, add a spread to your stop loss. We take only one position per listed pair, so it's either a positional trade that is trend trade or alternative trade that is a counter trend trade. First touch of the zone is the most profitable, and that is why we focus on the first touch. When I say the first touch, it means that the first entry in the zone should be traded. Have in mind that these setups are predictions, so you still need to be watching the price and decide whether you want to enter. Weekly Forex recaps are predictions, and I always publish potential result. While on ECS Live Telegram channel, we have market orders always, so you can always check results on the spreadsheet that we are having. And of course, all results from Telegram channel are also verified by my FX book. So that is what I will show you. So, and our weekly recap sessions are of course for free. And this is a current result for my Telegram channel. So you can always follow it and you can watch it. I did a full revamp of Camarilla McDill White and new risks. So I will trade this with a very low drawdown. I'm trying to do this, and this is the gain when I started the account. And previous account was also very good. But have in mind, guys, that I need to tell you. Let me just show you. Yeah, this is one of bigger accounts, smaller accounts. So yeah, here it is 64%, but the drawdown was a little bit higher. So this is what I will keep in risk, guys. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of things to be traded and a lot of things to be learned from our weekly recap. Everything is transparent, everything is clear, and I want you guys to see what we have been doing. And then I think that the picture is a little bit cloudy. I think that the picture should be good. It should be good. So I'm not sure why, but definitely I think that the picture should be good. Yeah, I see here on my screen it looks fine. Not sure why it's cloudy, but I think the picture should be fine, definitely. Okay, it's very easy to read what it says. So depending on time and volatility, use profit stop after 20 pips, but not less. Also for equities and commodities. And each pair, guys, try to protect your profits around important levels. Add this level to your system. Pay attention to trends, so you might find other trend-based entries. And the term pips pool, it is the maximum available number of pips you could have made on my setups. Okay, that is also very important. So this is the result for the previous week. So euro dollar sell position, pound dollar 30 pips possible. Pound dollar was minus 40, Australian dollar plus 80, the dollar yen was plus 50, and the BTC dollar was plus 80. Total pip pool 244. The trade of the week, definitely 2 trades of the week: the Australian dollar and the Bitcoin dollar. So I guess that you also made some nice pips by trading these setups. I hope so, guys, because this is very nice result. And now on my Telegram group, we have 60 pips on on the Australian dollar yen, but I think the Australian dollar yen could get a little bit lower. I will just write an update, guys, and we will continue with our webinar. Okay. Okay, it's 70 pips in profit. You can secure 60 pips. Okay. Yeah, this is the result, guys, and I'm just updating my Telegram group channel because I see that our setups are really going fine. Yeah. So everything that you see, I'm fully transparent, guys. As I always say, a real mentor, real teachers, real traders should try to, of course, bring the best from themselves. And when people believe you, that gives you credibility to teach others how to trade. But don't forget, guys, money management is the single most important thing in trading. So you need to have a good system, of course. Everything should be packed, but the real holy grail is money management, guys. Believe me, guys, I have so many requests also to manage accounts. I don't manage less than 100,000 euros, but definitely, it's all down to money management. And I'm always trying to bring the accounts that have a drawdown in profits. Okay, trade of the week: the Australian dollar and the BTC dollar. So this is the euro dollar. This vertical line represents the time of our webinar, and this is the potential result that you could have made, of course, by trading these setups. So you can see here, euro dollar was good. Again, as I say, 30 possible pips, because the sell from this zone was good for 30 possible pips. If you did it, maybe you protected your trade, maybe you saw that the price could go up, and 30 possible pips on this trade. The GBP dollar was in downtrend, and this was the loss because I said sell at 29.40. The price went to 29.40, but it didn't go up. It actually, you see, from this spot, it actually proceeded to the upside, and we actually had a loss on this trade. But then again, as I say, it happens from time to time, and the losses are a normal part of this business. The Australian dollar also, it was ranging, but then again, the price. Okay, sorry guys for this. Where I lost my chart. Okay, just give me a few seconds, guys. This is my Fixbook page. I'm not sure why I lost my presentation. I will open it again. It should be open. Yeah, this is it. Suddenly I lost the presentation. Strange. Okay, okay, and this was the dollar yen. Here, 113.60 was a buy trade. Sell was at 114.80. Actually, the price almost reached the perfect spot for buying. It was 113.60. Here, 58 actually, but that's it. Basically, the price was in the zone, and you can see the price went up straight from the point. So this was a very good result, and I'm happy how the things went with the dollar yen. Excellent setup, and the price went in nice profits. So dollar yen spike from bounce from this spot straight to 114.14, and a nice bounce. Then next one, yeah, let's see. Next one was the BTC dollar. Again, the BTC dollar dropped significantly after my setups. I said that you can buy here and sell there. Actually, uh, yeah, 114. Wait, guys. This is the old slide. I'm having, yeah, I have the new slide. I'm not sure why it didn't show up. Something is messing with these slides. I have the latest. Wait, I will show you. Just give me a few seconds. And this is actually the BTC dollar. I will remove this one, guys. And I will actually put another one here. The BTC dollar. Now you can see the screen, the exact chart, and this is the BTC dollar. 63.67 sell here, and you saw what happened. My TP, I didn't really expect that the drop would be so big. So I said TP was only 80 pip away, but then again, maybe you caught this move. If you trade the BTC dollar, the Bitcoin, then maybe you have caught this move. I don't trade, I just analyze, but I know a lot of traders actually ask me to analyze the price of the BTC dollar. So I do this each Monday, and fortunately, most of setups with the BTC dollar went into profits. Price is everything, guys. Price is price. Price action is everything. So you can see here what actually happened with the BTC dollar, and I hope that you made some nice pips. If you traded this, I hope that you made some nice pips. So the BTC dollar. Now, guys, let me show you today's setups. As I say, these setups are valid for today, tomorrow, and early Wednesday. Okay, so euro dollar ranging 1480 sell, stop loss 1520, TP 1360, buys 1360, stop loss 1320, TP is 1480. So again, 1480 is a sell. I will show you now sell position on the euro dollar. I will do my template, my Camarilla, make the light template. And yeah, as you can see, what's happened here. Basically, the price is selling already from this spot that I had in mind. So you need to be, yeah, it actually happened during the webinar. As you can see, I prepared these slides just, let's say, half an hour before the webinar, but obviously the price is listening to me. And here we can see that the price already reached. Okay, then again, why is this showing up? Okay, I'm not sure why is this showing up. This is what I want. Okay, the euro dollar here, euro dollar. Okay, guys, the setup for euro dollar is sell here, and if the price gets there again, I think that it could be good for a potential sell trade. Okay, it looks like it could be good for a potential sell. Obviously the price is going up, but it could actually drop again. So 1480 is a sell, stop loss 1520, TP 1360, buys 1360, stop loss 1320, TP 1480. Next setup is the GBP dollar, 2940 is a sell, stop loss 2980, TP 2760, buys 2760, stop 2710, TP 2850. So this is the GBP dollar. The GBP dollar now is close to also being a sell, but on weekly chart we still don't have a clear trend. So I think that based on potential rejections, I would wait for this. So again, I'm saying a prediction 2940 because it's a best new buy sell confluence with monthly H3, weekly H3. You see a lot of confluence here. We also have historical sellers. So I guess that if the price gets here, we could see a drop. Although the trend is not very clear on 4-hour time frame, the price is a little bit rangy. On weekly time frame, we also don't have a very clear trend. But obviously the price is going up. It should reject, in my opinion, either from this zone or from this zone. If it doesn't, if it keeps rejecting from this zone, then this will be a sell, but also pay attention to 29.30 to 40. And 2760 is a buy. If the price drops here, I think that at least a first retest of the zone. Again, we have historical buyers 1.8. It should be a positive, and this zone also 27.30. So pay attention. You could maybe get into a scalp positions if you don't want to go counter trend, because obviously if the price drops, it will be a counter trend move. So pay attention to that. Okay. Next one is the Australian dollar, guys. The Australian dollar also doing some nice movements. Positional buy trade is 71.80, stop loss is 71.40, TP is 72.60. Okay, and sell position is 72.60, stop loss 73.00, and TP 71.80. So the Australian dollar 71.80. Okay. If the price drops, now it's going in uptrend, but I expect a rejection. But as I say, 71.80, but maybe it's good actually to maybe it's 72 72.50 now, but because the price is dropping now on the Australian dollar, I think the drop could be bigger. Yeah, good, you're right. He's saying that offloading of dollar is occurring by the big boys. Indeed, DAX index down as a result of Fed repricing. Indeed, I need to agree. So that is why I'm saying maybe the price on the Australian dollar. Guys, watch for this. I will just write it down. Potential buy could also be 72.60. If it breaks down, then I would wait for 71.80, guys. It's ultimate support. It's monthly H4. If the price wants to go more up, at least this is the swing position. This is the best possible buy position, but I'm not sure that it will happen. So I would say maybe 72.50 or something, guys. Pay attention to 72.50, guys, okay? So we'll write it like this. Pay attention to 0.70, okay, 250. Why, guys? Because here you see, if the price, yeah, I just need to rewrite the slide. It doesn't. This is wrong. This is actually it's loading. It's loading down now. So this is a sell position, guys. Now 72.50, 72.60. You see, I already wrote it here. 72.50, 60 here, but it's wrong. Okay, don't pay it. It didn't save. I'm not sure why it didn't save. I will write it down again. So the Australian dollar is 71.80 is a buy, okay, if it drops. If you want to sell, guys, it should be higher, not here. So for a sell, I would go with definitely 73.00 because it's monthly H5, it's 6.8. So this will be a retest. And stop loss goes here, 73.30. So 73.00 is a sell, stop loss 73.30, and TP 7180. This is the best buy. Just pay attention, guys, to 72 to 70 to 54 potential longs. Okay, you need to pay attention to this, guys, to this level. Okay, so this is it for the Australian dollar. So sell from this spot. 7, it's actually 6.8 monthly H5 historical now moment sellers. These are now moment sellers here. You see? Wait, you don't see my screen, right? Okay, let me show it again. Yeah. Now it should be fine here. So you see, it could be a long from this spot, so pay attention to the level. Okay, it could be a long trade, and as I say, it should reject from this spot here. Now moment sellers, you see. The best long is here, guys. It's actually the overshot. It's ultimate support, monthly H4. Everything is focused here in this region. From this, the price should really go to the upside. Then we have the dollar yen. Sell at 112.90, stop loss 130.60, TP 111.20. Alternative buy 111.20, stop loss 110.8, and TP 112.30 here. The dollar yen is going down, so I think that if the price retests the zone for fourth time, it should be another sell, but I think it's already selling, and I think that it should go towards 112.90, the biggest weekly L5 and monthly L4, because it looks like a big downtrend here on the dollar yen. So I'm guessing that if the 113.60 is strong, 113.70, because we have 6.8 pivot weekly H4 historical sellers. If this level holds, this should drop. Guys, pay attention to dollar yen. Listen to me what I'm saying, guys. Okay? Pay attention to this level. Okay? If this level holds here, okay, then the price should drop even here. Okay, pay attention to this. This should be a good trade, really. So pay attention. Okay, and the BTC dollar, heavy downtrend. 51.90 is a sell, 52.20, 52.90 is stop loss. Always 100 pips stop loss on the BTC dollar. TP 48.70 for 2. Positional buy 48.72. Stop loss 47.72. TP 5,000. Okay. The price is dropping indeed. So if you zoom out, you will see a big drop on the Bitcoin dollar. So I'm thinking 51.90 should actually prove some resistance here. Okay, so here between these levels here, weekly L3, monthly L5, and dropping all the way down here, guys. This is the setup. 48.72 could be a buy, but be careful because this is heavy downtrend. Okay, so this is ultimate support. It should retest this level, then maybe shoot up and then drop. But then again, if it drops towards 48, okay, you should go for a buy. Okay, so this is it, 48.72. Now, guys, I will roll the slides again. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. Euro dollar, the pound dollar, the Australian dollar, the dollar yen, and the Bitcoin dollar. This webinar is being recorded and it will be uploaded to Elite Currency's YouTube channel. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask me. I will try to reply the best I can. So if you have any questions, if anything is not clear, just feel free to ask me, guys, okay? I don't see any questions, so I guess that everything is clear, right? So setups are in place. Our Telegram channel group also is running a few trades, so I don't think that now everything should be clear. Yeah, Daniel is asking about dollar CAD. Yes, okay. The dollar CAD, and the Australian dollar New Zealand. Okay, the Australian dollar New Zealand, it's clear for me a sell position here. Based on my Camarilla MACD, clear sell position 4 hour, and I'm in a sell. Yes, here exactly, price rejecting from this spot. MACD below zero line, rejections. Weekly is in a downtrend. Daily is retracing. 4 hour entry. Okay, and we have a trend line here, weekly H3 rejections all the way down. So I guess this should go more to the downside. If it's a swing, then it should pass this level and probably go for this level. But then again, we have support here, support there. This is strong support. We might protect our profits there. If it breaks, we go down. So the Australian dollar clear for me downtrend, and you see that I'm in a sell position here. Okay, next one is dollar CAD. Daniel is asking about dollar CAD. Yeah, dollar CAD. We are running a buy trade here. My position is 31.60, and now I'm going up. I already scaled out. I had a position at 31.55, a long trade, so I'm long here on the dollar yen, and we are running actually a trade from the last week. So the last week set up dollar yen, dollar CAD up. So in my opinion, this should go more to the upside. This is a safe trade because, as I say, we scaled out, and the target is the target final can be definitely 31.50, 32.60, but also 32.14. We will see what happens here. Definitely, this is an uptrend. Even there is a chance for 32.75 or 60 towards the monthly H3. So Daniel, dollar CAD is long. We secured profits again. Telegram channel trade, and the Australian dollar New Zealand again. Telegram channel trade, we are also in profits here. If you have any other questions, guys, don't hesitate to ask. I hope that the price will listen to us, also more pairs, and that we will have more good setups also for this week. I hope so. So let's see. Dollar Turkish lira. I'm not sure that I have this pair here actually, because I don't trade. I have euro Turkish lira. There should be dollar Turkish lira, but as I say, I'm not familiar with trading. Yeah, this is it. I can analyze it, but I'm not familiar with this pair honestly, because I never ever take a look at it. A weekly, not a trend. It is dropping, but there is no clear trend. I would say that this is rejecting from daily. So this is sell. If it breaks more to the downside, it should go here. This is a daily sell trade, obviously, Ali. So in my opinion, this is going more to the downside, triple rejection, down, down, down. On a daily time frame, this is support. So it could actually go a little bit up from these spots, because these are supports now. But definitely this now is going down. It's retracing from this big spike. Now the price is retracing in a nice downtrend. So I would go to sell on rallies here, selling on rallies. But on my systems here, I don't have any clear entry. This is just a daily sell, but not a clear entry. So guys, I hope that, yeah, I don't see any questions. So I guess that everything is clear. I hope that we will again have a profitable weekend. And yeah, Ali saying he just wanted to learn if our currency gains more. Yeah, I think, yes, I think that the dollar should go more down, but have in mind these are supports. If it closes below this level, it should go down. So watch for a daily close below these levels here. Only then it will go down, because now everything is support. Okay, if you have any other questions, guys, feel free to ask. If not, we can call it a day. Yeah, yes, Ali is only taking our elite currency setups. Of course, don't worry, we are there to help you out and to make pips together. Thank you guys for listening. I hope that we will have another profitable week. Last question for today, guys. Please be quicker with questions, because I'm already saying goodbye. So GBP, Australian dollar. Yeah, GBP Australian dollar. I'm not sure. This is counter trend trade. So first of all, we should see some divergence here. There is no clear divergence with the price. It actually could go, but here you see the middle Bollinger Band is there. I wouldn't go for a long. Definitely, Daniel, I wouldn't go for a long, because on these spots it should reject. You see how this is not flat Bollinger Band. It's actually zigzagging, stepping down. So I would say I would sell it here, not going long. In my opinion, GBP Australian dollar is short. Yeah, even on 4 hour, on weekly, it's down. This is actually a sell setup. 4 hour, this is sell setup here, definitely. No, I wouldn't go for long. So that would be all, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I wish you a great trading week. As I say, this webinar is being recorded. It will be uploaded. Great trading week, and talk to you soon, guys. Cheers. As always, trade safe.